The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.